Hey, what's up everybody? Hey, I think by now you guys are starting to get the drift of my channel that I don't just do fishing videos. Plus the weather's been crappy. I buy a lot of gadgets. I have a lot of toys and a lot of information to share, so I hate to just limit it to fishing. I know that some of you that love fishing videos come to me to see those, so please don't get impatient when you see a video about a piece of technology or a microphone or some type of hard drive, because some of you guys who are doing YouTube videos yourself are going to want to have some of this gear anyway. Today I'm going to talk about something really fast, really simple, and I think you'll love them. These are like the best headphones I've ever had. I bought these for $12 on Amazon. They're I forget the name, Zircon comes to mind, but I forget the whole name. I bought them on Amazon for $12. They have a microphone built in on the line, so you can plug them in to a phone as long as your phone has a headphone jack. You can plug them in and you can talk on these, but really I bought them for the sound. I saw a review on YouTube and a guy liked them. They're really high quality build. I'll send you some close-up pictures. They've got a braided cord, plus they've got a 90-degree connection on the wire, so it doesn't stick out, and when you stick it in your pocket, it doesn't get in the way. Excellent headphones. They sound great. You could plug them into any phone with a headphone jack and talk and have your phone conversations. But as far as sound, huge sound stage, really great bass. Just make sure you have a really good tight in-ear fit, and check these out. You can't go wrong with these headphones, and I just wanted to share that. I'm going to keep it short, simple, and that's it. Thanks.